Hello and welcome. If you're watching this, you understand the profound anxiety of age-related vision loss. For millions over 60, especially those with age-related macular degeneration or MD, the worry is constant. MD attacks the macula, the small, central part of your retina responsible for fine details the detail you need for reading or seeing faces clearly. While there are two types, dry AMD has limited treatments, but wet AMD is often treated with frequent, stressful anti-VEGF injections. These injections, administered right into the eye, must be repeated, sometimes monthly, for years. They are a burden, and their effect often wanes over time, leading to a long-term decline in vision. But today, we look into a revolutionary future. We're talking about CRISPR, a scientific breakthrough offering the promise of not just slowing down, but fixing the causes of age-related blindness with a potential single one-time treatment. So what is CRISPR? The concept is simple. Think of your body's DNA as a huge instruction manual. Every disease, including MD, can be traced back to a persistent misspelling in those instructions. CRISPR is essentially a pair of highly advanced genetic scissors, guided by a GPS system. This tool is programmed to find one specific location in your DNA, for example, the section that's overproducing the proteins that cause wet AMD. When the guide finds the exact misspelling, the scissors make a precise cut. The cell then uses a correct genetic template to fix the break. It's like using a precise spell checker to find the one typo in a million-word book, deleting it, and instantly replacing it with the correct word. This is fundamentally different from managing symptoms. This is an attempt to rewrite the instructions for a long-lasting, potentially permanent fix. The eye is one of the most exciting targets for this technology for two key reasons. First, accessibility. The retina is relatively easy to reach. Doctors can deliver the CRISPR machinery through a single, tiny injection in the back of the eye, keeping the treatment local. Second, the eye is an immune-privileged site. This means the body's immune system is less likely to recognize the gene therapy as a foreign threat and attack it, which is crucial for safety. The early results are truly inspiring. The first major trial of CRISPR in the eye targeted an inherited childhood blindness. The results were remarkable. The procedure was safe, and the majority of patients showed measurable, life-altering improvements in their vision and quality of life. Now, that success is being directly applied to age-related blindness. For wet AMD, new clinical trials are underway using an advanced version of CRISPR called Cas13. This therapy is designed to be a one-time treatment. It works by silencing the messenger molecules that tell the cells to start growing those harmful blood vessels. The hope is that this single injection will eliminate the need for those frequent, stressful anti-VEGF injections entirely. For dry AMD, researchers are targeting the body's immune system to calm the excessive inflammation that drives the disease, aiming to halt its progression permanently. While this technology is still in the clinical trial phase, the data is showing great confidence. For those of you living with the anxiety of age-related vision loss, this message is simple. The science is accelerating faster than ever before. The future of vision treatment is not about perpetual management. It's about restoring the fundamental ability of your eyes to see the world clearly. It is a future filled with clarity and hope. Thank you for watching.